we decided that we're going to restore it. And that's when the journey began. It's actually got a fantastic history. It was with the same owner for 45 years. Then a guy in Brisbane owned it, and I bought it off him. So technically I'm the third owner of this car. And I know that's important to people that are looking for a model like this. So it's a very genuine, honest car. All the matching numbers. So we got the engine block, which matches the actual tags on the car. The interior is the original colour, even though we've restored it. There's a story behind that, by the way. The fabric we sourced in the USA, which is houndstooth black and orange. I found the manufacturer in the USA that actually supplied GMH in 1969 with that fabric. So the fabric is original. It's a H10 as per the tag. It's still got the original headliner. The dash wasn't touched, it's original. So it's in pretty top condition. Also the console, where the T-bar is, original condition. So yeah, that's something, you know, for a car like this, for its age, that is definitely something. The engine is the highlight of this vehicle. So it's got fully rebuilt, 308 now 355, fully rebuilt, brand new plates, pink plates they call them, heavy duty to take the extra horsepower. So all the drivelines been absolutely 100%. If you open the bonnet, we've got the new radiator, 4-coil radiator with Davis Craig twin thermo fans, thermostatically controlled to keep the car cool at all times. So it's a beautiful balanced machine in terms of power. It's got a 2.5-inch system, custom exhaust with extractors, so it sounds magnificent. Wise words is, look, it's an Aussie icon. It's a great investment. I believe it is. And that's why the car is special.